swimming. See the See the crocodile?
Yeah.
Alligator?
You see the airplane? There's the locomotive shop. We'll go there in a second. That looks pretty good. An old Santa Fe in there. Got the Southern Pacific.
See the 57 Chevys on the car carrier?
Yeah. Southern Pacific looks like it. I think it looks like an E8. Love that paint. Oh yeah, look inside the shop.
See him pulling the wall up?
Yeah. Oh yeah, they're pulling the wall up. That's pretty sweet. You can see they're building the house right there.
See the man sawing lumber?
Yeah. I wonder if he put a motor inside that thing to make it work. I'm just really curious.
Airplane there? Cool stuff.
It's awesome.
Let's see what we got in the shop.
Oh, you got a roundhouse.
Yeah, you got the roundhouse.
Oh, really?
Santa Fe. Yeah, you got a Santa Fe F3. Northern Pacific. Looks like an Alco. You got a GP9 Santa Fe in there too. Wow. My mind is completely blown.
Mine is completely blown.
My mind is completely blown.
George mapped out a good...
That was a good idea. We got a shot of the roundhouse. We got some different locomotives in there. Wow.